Mr. Eccles?
That's right.
Here's your receipt. Keep it.
Does this safari guarantee I come through alive?
We guarantee nothing except the dinosaurs. This is Mr. Travis, your safari guide in the past.
Mr. Eccles?
He'll tell you what and where to shoot. If he says no shooting, no shooting. If you disobey instructions, there's a stiff penalty of another $10,000, plus possible government action.
Damn, a real-time machine. Makes you think. If the elections had gone badly yesterday, I might be here now running away from the results. Thank God Keith won. He'll make a fine president of the United States.
Yes, we're lucky. If Brinkman had gotten in, we'd have the worst kind of dictatorship. There's an anti-everything man for you. Anti-Christ, anti-intellectual, and anti-human. People called us up, you know, joking but not joking. Said if Brinkman became president, they wanted to go live in 1492. Anyway, Keith is president now. All you've got to worry about is
shooting my dinosaur?
Tyrannosaurus Rex, the tyrant lizard. The damnedest monster in history. Here, sign this release. If anything happens to you, we're not responsible. Those dinosaurs are hungry.
Are you trying to scare me?
Frankly, yes. We don't want anybody going who'll panic on the first shot. Got your personal check? Tear it up. Good luck, Mr. Eccles. Mr. Travis, he's all yours. You have 30 minutes to prepare.
Come with me, Mr. Eccles.
Remember this. That, gentlemen, is the forest of 60,2,065 years before President Keith. The path was laid by Time Safari for your use. Its purpose is to keep you from touching this world of the past in any way. Stay on the path. Don't go off it. I repeat, do not go off for any reason. If you fall off, there's a penalty. And don't shoot any animals we don't okay.
Why is that?
We don't belong here in the past. The government doesn't like us here. We have to pay a big graft just to keep our franchise. The time machine is damn finicky business. Not knowing it, we might kill an important animal, a roach, a flower, even, thus destroying an important link in a growing species.
How do we know which animals to shoot?
They're marked with a red sterilized paint. Today, before our journey, we sent Lesperance back here in the machine. He came to this particular era and followed certain animals.
Studying them?
Right. I track them through their entire existence, noting which of them lives longest. Very few. When I find one that's going to die when a tree falls on him, or one that drowns in a tar pit, I note the exact hour, minute, and second. This way, we kill only animals with no future, that are never going to mate. You see how careful we are?
But if you came back this morning in time, you must have bumped into us, our safari. How did it turn out? Was it successful? Did we all come through alive?
That would be a paradox. Time doesn't permit that sort of mess. A man meeting himself. When such occasions threaten, time slips aside. You felt the machine jump just before we stopped? We saw nothing. There's no way of telling if this expedition was a success, if we got our monster, or whether all of us, meaning you, Mr. Eccles, got out alive.
Everyone ready? And let's go. Stop that. Don't even aim for fun, damn it. If your gun should go off...
So where's my Tyrannosaurus?
There's your dinosaur.
I didn't realize it would be this big. I miscalculated, that's all. Now I want out.
Fire! Aim for the eyes!
That was the rock slide that was scheduled to kill the beast originally. Everything's in balance.
What?
The beast died on schedule.
Get out on the path alone. You're not coming back in the machine. We're leaving you here.
Take it easy, Travis.
Stay out of this. This stupid fool nearly killed us. But isn't that so much? Look at his boots. He ran off the path. We guarantee no one leaves the path. He left it, the damn fool. We'll have to report this to the government. Tens of thousands of dollars worth of insurance we'll have to forfeit. And God only knows what he's done to time, to history.
Come on, Travis. I'm sure everything's okay.
How do we know? We don't know anything. Get out there, Eccles.
Please, I'll pay anything. $100,000. But please, Travis, don't leave me behind.
Get up. Go out there. The monster's next to the path. Stick your arms up to your elbows in his mouth. Then you can come back with us.
That's unreasonable. Please, Travis, I'll be killed.
The monster's dead, you coward. The bullets can't be left behind. They don't belong in the past. They might change something. Here's my knife. Dig him out.
You didn't have to make him do that.
He'll live. Next time he won't go hunting game like this. Okay, let's clean up and head for home. Les Bronce will take the blood back to the animal. Everything must be as it was. Everything. Everything all right here?
Fine. Welcome home.
Okay, Eccles, get your clothes and get out. Don't ever come back. Understand? You heard me. What the hell's the matter with you? What are you staring at?
The sign. Look at the sign.
Wait a minute. Your boot.
No, it can't be. Not a little thing like that. It couldn't be. A butterfly couldn't make that much difference, could it?
Who won the presidential election yesterday?
You know who won. Brinkman, of course. Not that weakling Keith. What's wrong?
Travis, please. I'm sorry. Can't we take it back? I'm sorry. Can't we start over? Can't we? Oh!